Now we will talk about apply leave from online. Apply leave from online. So we will go to HRMS, then we'll go to leave request. User can fill his leave request from online or even from mobile. Ali Surur, for example, from online or from mobile can request leave, can apply for the leave. You fill the information, start from to, okay. Then you select leave type, annual leave. Okay, now you might see the message, the data cannot be, the date cannot be greater than to date. So maybe something wrong here. This one is wrong. 2 should be, let's say, 22. Okay, now this employee is total leave balance is 185. This one, if you refresh, calculate, means it is reading from the desktop and getting you the balance accurate directly. Total leave requested is 19 days. Okay, some notes, and you can make attachment. You can do attachment. Okay, so this is the starting point. This one, employee can apply for leave from online and can be saved. After saving this one, so let's try to save it. Maybe please select request reason. This one, going home. So make sure all information is filled. Do you want to create leave request? Yes, I created. Name Ali Surur. Okay. Now I'm doing the leave. It is created from online. Now my supervisor can go and approve the leave. See this one? Now this is here. Ali Surur leave and so on, request, etc., etc. Okay. So user can create, the employee can create from online, and the manager or supervisor can approve. Assume I want to approve or I want to reject. Now these two features are available in mobile application. Mobile application, we can do this one. So now you make approval or you make reject. Now when leave create, there is no effect on the desktop application, no effect. When the leave approved, there is effect on the desktop. If rejected, there is no effect on the desktop at all. Where we can see if this one approved, where we can see this one, we will go to desktop application, go to HRMS, leave, you can see leave web. If you did not see this one on your desktop, means you have to activate this one. You have to activate this one to see it. Where to activate? You need to go to File, Settings, HRMS, General Setting. Then in the company setup, okay. Then in the company setup, okay, company information, general setting, company policy. See, you need to activate web and you need to activate taxes. Okay, from this window you activate. Then close. Now activities, leave, you will see the leave in this window. Now this file is connected with original file. Okay, these are the created from online for the purpose of test. That name was Ali Surur. Ali Surur is sample file. Sample file. This is, we show you another data as example, how you can approve. So you can take this one to approve, to accept. If you make accept for this one, if you make accept, it will be seen as created, leave created. See, this one created. Then you will continue how you want to pay and how you want to process with this leave. Okay, so this process is number one from online. Employee request, his manager supervisor approve it. If approved, it will come to desktop. If rejected, it will not come to desktop. If approved, you should go to desktop, this window. Okay, this window, accept leave request. When you accept it, it will come to this window. And of course, when you approve online, employee will receive email. When accept, also employee will receive an email. Who will work on this accept? The HR team inside the head office. Yeah, means there is two options of acceptance. One from online and one from the desktop. User cannot change the information. See, all information are as it is, but just to change the way of payment by payment voucher or BDC, whatever. Salary sheet and so on. Change this one. Okay, so this is the way of coming from mobile or coming from online. Okay, it depends from where it is coming, this one. So after this one approved, finished, reference, okay, application date, see, leave application date, and so on. Then you can save it and etc. etc. You can continue. Okay, you want to exit? Yes. So this is the way of how you apply leave from online and how it is affect on the desktop. Thank you very much.